today we are going to be drawing Godzilla Evolved Loading Atomic Breath. So on this picture, since it's close up, I'm going to be drawing a lot of detail for Godzilla. And we're going to have like most of his face is going to be like around like right here, and then like the other part is right there. So in this picture, I'm going to work on adding some more detail, because like if I draw two plain pictures, they just don't look good. So I'm going to be using the pencils 8B and HB. So now I'm going to start with Godzilla's like this side part. So this is going to like come like about right here, like about like coming out like that. So we can probably just have this coming in a bit more, like about right here. So it's gonna come up now. Just make sure you add some spikes and stuff. And so yeah, just like that. And so now we're gonna have his snout. So now it's just gonna come up and add these spikes right here. And yeah, it's gonna be like that. And now I'm gonna bring this down. Like that. So yeah, just like that. And now I'm gonna bring this over here a bit. So just like that. And now I'm gonna have his brow. So now it's gonna come up like this, and have some spikes coming right there. And also like just add some outline on them too. So it's just gonna be like that. And we can also add some detail. Add some more like 3D layers right here. So yeah, just like that. And now we're gonna have it coming up like this. So yeah, just like that. And so yeah, like that. So I just had to stop the recording. So now I'm gonna bring this up, and it's gonna come about right there. So yeah, just like that. And just also when you're drawing this, make sure that this is not that as curved as mine. Just make sure it's very straight. So yeah, just like that. And now I'm gonna have this coming across. It's gonna go up slightly until it just starts curving up. Now the end of it's gonna go right there. And yeah, so just like that. Now we're gonna have his nostril. So we can just add just colors of some space right there, and now we have his nostril, and just gonna have another one right there. So yeah, just like that. And so now I'm gonna bring his bottom jaw down. So before we do that, I'm gonna have the brow. So it's gonna come up a bit, and then it's gonna go down. And then I'm just gonna bring it up like that. The tape is off, so I'm gonna have to move it a bit so it lines up with everything correctly. So yeah, so just like that now. And I'm gonna have some spikes coming right here. And so it's just gonna go up like that. Or actually we can just like make this going like that a bit lower. Make it a bit more like that. And so yeah, just like that. Now we're gonna have his eye section. So it's just gonna be quite small. Just gonna have like a circular line about like that. And so yeah, now I'm gonna have some teeth coming out here. And it's just gonna be like that. And so now I'm gonna have a line coming across here just to make it look 3D. And I'm gonna have just some more lines coming like that. And so yeah, just basically like that. So now I'm gonna have some like this line on Godzilla's face. It's gonna come up like this. Like that. And now this other one is gonna come right over here. And it's gonna go on there. So yeah, just like that. So the only reason why I'm redoing this is because that this was my best video and I want to do this again to revive my channel. And second reason is the last time I posted this, it got only like 100 views, so I just want to make it do better. So yeah. Now I'm gonna bring this down. So this is gonna come like kind of straight at first, then it's gonna curve down a bit like that, and it's just gonna come up like that. So yeah, just like that. And now I'll bring this down and have this like it connect. And so now I'll just bring this over here. And yeah, we have got that. And now I'm gonna bring this part up like that. And so yeah, we've got the shape of his head now. So I'll have some spikes coming right here. And now we're gonna have some more teeth in the bottom. Okay, so just like this and just keep adding some more teeth. So now I'm gonna have the fleshy thing like right there. I don't know what to call it. So it's gonna be like that. Now we're gonna have his tongue, so I guess I can just come right here and just gonna come like this. Hey, yeah, just that simple. You don't have to do anything else than that. Yeah, that's all you have to do for the tongue. I just need to thicken up these lines. So yeah, just like that. We've got that down now. So now I'm gonna bring this neck right here and it's gonna come down. I'm gonna have some scales right here too. So yeah, I'm gonna have that until now. It's gonna his shoulders basically gonna be right here. So we're gonna have a line coming like that. And so that way now it's gonna look better because we have a shoulder there. So yeah, just like that. And now I'm gonna have his gills. So they're just gonna come like, so I need to fix this tape again. because like it's not gonna stick, so it's gonna have to like stay there. It just has to like stay in one spot. It can't just be like moving around the whole time. So yeah, just do it more like that. So now I'm gonna this like this, and yeah, just like that. And now we can add some details right here. And yeah, if you're watching my channel before, you might notice something different. I'm not sure, but if you do, I just got something new to record with. So yeah, and I'm gonna edit my videos differently. So yeah, now I'm gonna put these spikes right here and like that. And now, so just for some detail, I'm gonna have like something curving right here, and just another one coming like that. And then I'm just gonna have like it's like some spikes in the middle, which I forgot to do on my best video. On my most popular video, I forgot to add these spikes right here, and which is like kind of a big part in that. And I forgot to do that. So yeah, just like that. And so now I'm gonna bring this over here. So now this just comes like all the way like over there. And then this just goes right there too. And this does too. And so yeah, just gonna be like that. And now I'm gonna have these like right here. So now I'm just gonna keep bringing these like that. So yeah, we've basically got that done. And now I'm just gonna have some broken lines coming like that. And yeah, that's basically it for this video, except just need to add some teeth right there and the eye. So we're not gonna add the pupil for the eye because it's gonna be glowing, and so it's gonna like come like this. I'm pretty sure I made it too tilted. Well, I mean, that looks good. So I'm just gonna highlight it first. Just make sure you trace it first before you actually like draw it hard, or make sure you draw it lightly before you draw it hard. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. I don't really have that much stuff else to add. And I'm just gonna come like that. And yeah, the only thing is, okay, I actually just feel like that eye is too good, because I really need this video to get views, so I'm gonna have to make it a bit better to get views. And I guess that looks a bit better. So yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.